Welcome to today's episode of Tech Insights, where we're diving deep into the world of databases with a particular focus on PostgreSQL, or as you might hear us say, Postgres for everything. So, let's kick things off. When we talk about databases today, we often think of stacks of complex tools. But what if I told you that there's a movement out there advocating for simplicity? That's right, just use Postgres. Now, this idea isn't just a catchy phrase. It comes from a well-organized GitHub repository designed to showcase the versatility and power of Postgres as a one-stop solution for all database needs. All right, hold on, because it seems like every week we're hearing about yet another tool built on top of Postgres, or a new application completely centered around it. What's going on here? It's like Postgres has become the Bermuda Triangle of databases. Everything just ends up there. So, why is this repository so important? Well, it aims to capture this immense flow of innovation, allowing anyone to see how Postgres can service various functions, from cron jobs to analytics, and even GIS, that's Geographical Information Systems, for those unfamiliar. Imagine using a single solution for multiple use cases instead of managing a whole bunch of different systems. It's kind of mind-blowing, right? Let's unpack some of the key areas discussed in this repository. For example, have you ever considered using Postgres for message queues? There's a fascinating tool called PGMQ, specifically designed for handling message queues within Postgres. Can you imagine the efficiency of processing messages without needing an additional tech stack? Then there are analytics. The PG Analytics extension transforms Postgres into a fast OLAP database. That's online analytical processing. So, businesses could leverage their existing database capabilities to analyze data without heavy and costly infrastructure changes. Now let's talk about GIS, which sounds super technical but can be broken down easily. Picture a world map on your screen. Postgres can handle that data using extensions like PostGIS. It allows developers to create geospatial applications without having to resort to multiple database systems. And did you know that PostgreSQL also excels with time series? There's an extension called TimescaleDB that makes it possible to handle vast amounts of time series data efficiently. So, if you have an Internet of Things IoT device collecting data every second, Postgres can manage that without breaking a sweat. Now, here's a fun thought. Many people may not think of Postgres as a NoSQL solution, but with JSON-B support, it can definitely hold its own in that arena. Think about it. Using a relational database structure while also using flexible JSON formats. It's the best of both worlds. So as we explore all these features, it's clear that PostgreSQL isn't just a database. It's a foundational tool that can be adapted to various needs. And this leads me to our final thought for today. Cumulatively, what we're seeing is a trend in the software community towards unifying tools, simplifying processes while enhancing performance. This is where tools like Supabase come in, which integrates seamlessly with Postgres, allowing developers to work even faster. Before we wrap up, let's ponder this. What if the future of database management relies on less fragmentation and more integration? How would that change the landscape of software development? Thanks for tuning in to Tech Insights. We hope you've enjoyed unraveling the complexities of PostgreSQL with us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more engaging discussions on technology and keep exploring the fascinating world of databases. Until next time.